Welcome to NKT's coding class, and today we will make a scratch game. How to make a snake game using a scratch. Scratch was developed by MIT Media Labs, and let's start it. And it is a very simple game and easiest game for beginners. So let's start it. So first of all, we will go to the costumes to make a snake. We will delete the cat, delete it, and now we will make a snake. We'll choose the color green of the snake, dark green. Okay, we'll choose the outline. Outline should be black. And okay, so we'll first place it in the center. Okay, some bit small. Yes, then we will create an eye for the snake, which will be red color. Perfect. Okay, so the snake is created. So let's code. So first of all, we'll take the when click blocked from the events block. Then we'll make a variable. Variable name direction. We'll take direction for all slides. So we'll take direction. Okay. Then we will take set the direction. So the direction of the snake will be set to right. So set the direction to right side this side. So we'll take right. No. We'll take right. Okay. Then we want him to go to x 0 and y 0. Then we will take the forever loop. After taking the forever loop, we will take the if then block. Then we will take my variables. We'll take the direction variable. Go to the operators. If direction is equal to up, we'll put it in the if then. If direction is equal to up, then we want to change the y, the vertically, the y by we want to change the y by 5. Then we'll take the change y by from the motion block. We'll take change y by 5. Then we will duplicate it. Then if the direction is down, then we will change the y by -5. We will duplicate it. Then we remove the change y by -5, and because now left and right comes, so x horizontally. So if direction is equal to right, direction is equal to right, then in the motion change x by 5. Later on we can change it 5 or 10, but now I am keeping it 5 only. So we will duplicate it. See, okay, not let's stop the game. So change x by 5. Then we will take the variables. Then the variables which will take set your set, and we will take the set variable and events when space key. So when the up arrow is pressed, then change the direction to up. Duplicate it. So when down arrow pressed, then change the direction to down, then duplicate it, then when right arrow pressed, change the direction to right, and when the left arrow is pressed, then we will make it left, direction to left. So now let's see what happens. So it's going right. Okay. Oh, and there was one mistake. And there was spelling mistake. Direction to down, right, and here left. Okay, so now let's see. So see, I am touching the keys. Oh, and here -5 was left to right. Okay, so let's see. I am touching up key, the left key, the right key, the right key, down key, left key. The snake is moving, but actually in the snake game, the length of the snake grows as it eats the food. So we will first make the food, stop the game, and then we want to create a clone of the snake. So we'll create a clone of it by going into the control. I will create a clone of myself. So actually what happens, see, it is creating clone like this, but if we don't want like this. If it eats, then only the size increases. So first of all, create a clone of myself, then this taking the when I start clone, then we'll go to the vents, no sorry, control, and wait seconds, then we will go to the variables, and we will make a variable length, and we will make this variable here. So the length will be decided by this, and then we go to the control, we will do delete the clone. So it so first start, see, here I have not put the food, but after I will put the food, then it will create a clone of it. So now let's add a backdrop first. Backdrop means background which you want to keep. So I will keep a backdrop of grass or something. Okay, grass is not there. So forest, jungle, forest, woods. I will take jungle. Yes, it's the jungle. And I will choose a sprite, and I will first of all name my sprite this as snake. Then we will take a sprite, apple, or apple will take. Go to the costumes, sorry, select it, small the size. Okay. So in the apple side, we will take first the events. When this clicked, we want 1 minute snake, sorry, apple, and when this is clicked, we want to go to random position. We will take go to X 5. We'll take yes, pick random position, and we'll pick the random position of the first of our X. So it will be 240. Sorry, there was a misplacement. -240, and then we will take pick random here, apply to 180 and minus 180. Then we'll take a forever loop. We'll take if then. We'll take the sensing, touching the, if it touches the snake. If it touches the snake, then if it touches the snake, then we want him. We want to change. Yes, we want to change the direction. We want to change the length by 0.1. 0.1 cents. Then we'll just duplicate it. Sorry. We'll just duplicate it. We don't want this. Okay. So see, it's touching and the length is also increasing. See, you can see the length is increasing by itself only, and you can see the direction also. And if you want to increase the speed, you can increase the speed. First I told you it was 5, then 10, then 15, but it will be somewhat very faster, so this is very comfortable 10 game. Okay, so this was the tutorial how to make a snake game using Scratch, and please like, share, subscribe, comment below. And if you want to download the Scratch game, the link is given in below the description. And thanks for watching.